This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Cindy Caskey. Open house Saturday, October 15, 2022, 1:04 p.m. One owner home with park-like setting, looking for new happy family in bird chirping Lynnhaven Woods. Lots of room to spread out, including 2-car garage, huge laundry room off the sunlit eat-in kitchen. The primary bedroom is vaulted and includes a gas fireplace, a jetted tub and walk-in shower, and a large walk-in closet. Charming front porch for relaxing and a back patio to enjoy wildlife. The kitchen in the heart of the home, and it opens up to the family room with a wood-burning fireplace and entrance to patio and garden/yard. New HVAC 2017, new fence 2022. Well for yard and sprinkler system. Grand staircase to 4 bedrooms upstairs with lots of storage, including a walk-in attic with floored storage areas. This home also includes upgraded custom front doors and loads of natural light. Make it your new home. For more information, review the details below.